So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will talk about how I entered in Ezoic Premium without invite, I guess. So we'll discuss about this, and I will show you the plans of Ezoic Premium and how much you get from that particular plan. Okay, so as you can see, I, this is the first starter plan of Ezoic Premium, and this plan this plan is about when you get this when you are eligible for this plan, it will opens up. But before that, you should be making $50 to $119 per month or in last 30 days to be eligible for this plan. Or guys, you don't get a premium that easily. So how I get is when there is no option to get on the premium, then I simply send them an email and raise a ticket that I am interested in. Here I told them that I am really interested in Ezoic ads, and I think I'm making enough for the starter plans, and could you give me invite link or tell me when I am eligible for Ezoic Premium ads. Then they said that Ezoic Premium is only invite only. At present, there is aren't currently any places on this program. However, we can make a record of your interest in the program, and when a space opens up for you, you will get an. So, guys, actually, the same day or the next day, I guess, I got the premium notification. So this means that if you are earning reach to a certain point or reach to a certain income, then you definitely get an invite. But yes, I may be lucky on, but if you don't say to them, then you won't get premium in early days, I guess. So raising a ticket is a good option, and they make a record of your request that you want to join, and if there is a space, then they will uh, enter you into the premium. So you should be sending an email if and only if your earning reaches to that point. I will explain you to this. So suppose here you are seeing that my earning is in last 30 days $267, right? And here is the premium tax you are seeing. Okay, so in last 30 days I am making 267, and the premium demand is 50 to 119. So I am eligible actually for this plan, but I am more eligible for this one also, the upgraded plan. Okay, the growth plan, which needs 120 to 249 dollars to one per month in 30 days, right? So I am eligible for this plan. So they did not send they send me an invite for growth plan. Okay, which I can which is if you pay 44 dollars per month, then you can make at least 68 to $83 per month. But I have asked many people, and they said that they will be making this amount in between this range. Okay, so in between this range I would be making that income from premium ads. So it's good that you will get an extra income from premium. Okay, and our student 5%, but you can vary changing this. Okay, so definitely you will make $68, but you can reach to the middle of this $68. Okay, and one thing that I will tell you before selecting any plan. So this people do mistake on this when doing this. that you should select a monthly plan, not yearly plan. Okay, this way I am actually selecting a monthly plan here, not yearly plan. Yearly plan is good, it gives you more money, but you need to check and apply. If your earning reaches to a certain point, maybe $600 to $1,000, then you will be applying for another good plans, better plans, like this one. If your earning is $1,000, why not you apply for four star? And in 1 year you can't apply to another plan, right? You will be stuck to one plan, and it is a 1 year contract, so you will be stuck in that plan. Okay, so before selecting, you should not be selecting yearly agreement, but monthly agreement. You can see this yearly. In yearly you will be paying less, but you will be stuck 1 year, means 12 months with same plans. Okay, so I am on the trial right now, 15 days trial, I guess. This plan, I guess, growth plan, 15-day trial, and I have made, I guess, $27 till now from this plan. Okay, but actually my earning reached to this amount, 250, more than 250. So I was thinking that let me cancel this plan and upgrade to this one, but they actually already said this, that you are eligible to upgrade. So I think I will upgrade to this plan, 144 per month, and this will make at least 165 to 210, maybe 180, 170, 180 to 190, I guess I will make from this plan, extra 40 maybe, or $50. Okay, so this plan, otherwise I will be canceling this plan, because I will be stuck on this plan, but I need to my earning increase to this plan, so I will be upgrading to this plan. Okay guys, so send a ticket and say them that you are interested, and when should the space is available for you to apply. Okay, so then you will be earning, and the plan will unlock based on your 30 days earning or your monthly earning, I guess. But in my case, their last 30 days earning is calculated on the basis of which plan you will get. So 3-star I am upgrading today, and this, and you can see the upgrade plan here. Upgrade button is unlocked. Otherwise yesterday it was not showing, it was not showing it. This 3-star plan is showing like this one, starter plan. So today this is unlocked. Okay, so I will be applying for this plan. It is good. If you make $300, then it is a good amount you can make, right guys? So I hope you guys like this plan, like this video, and hit like then this video. Okay, and enjoy and keep writing the articles, and also keep learning the SEO. Okay, so that way you will beat your competition. Okay, and don't copy anyone's niche. Okay, just make your own niche and focus 1 year or 1 year 2 months. Okay, then leave and then start a new site. Okay, these plans are good enough, I guess. Okay guys, okay, thank you guys.